Quick little video over it. 69 GMC or Chevy C10. Project is starting and running now. Sounds pretty good for an old truck. Man, the process, if I have to say would I do it again? Yes, I would do it again. Would I do it one for myself? Yes, I would do one again for myself. I would do two for myself. I'm working on my old C10. Here's this other cab right here that I've already gotten off of something else. But yeah, he's coming together too. I'm gonna take those seats out, sell them. But back to what we talking about right here. He's sounding pretty good, you know. Let's hear it. Let's see if we can get an initial startup for you guys in this video. Set it up right now. We got the Camaro dash in here. Need to figure out what I'm gonna do. All of these gauges and all this cluster won't even work in this swap. I can make the tack module. I'm not gonna even lie to you guys and try to make it seem like we can make the speedo work. It's funny, it depends on the year. 92 is the only year. To me, this one, actually, you know what's funny? This looks like a 92 one. We probably can get the speedo to work. But anyway, it's not worth that time, you know. I know that 92 had a 4060, so it ran off a different computer system, which I don't even want to run with that one. It's so many wires that's up under the hood that's trying to keep this dash. It's not needed, but, you know, I might talk to the guy about an electronic cluster. I have one, man. I think it'll do a real good look to this. But even if he do it later, you know, we got some good options. You know, I'll probably talk to him later about doing an electronic cluster in the future. Have him bring it down on the weekend and knock it out. But yeah, truck looks pretty good, man. You know, interior is already pretty nice. I didn't really do anything. All the tape on the dashboard. For some reason, these dashes dropped, but you know, anyway, I had it up there, pushed it in there. Well, pretty much 5.3 swap, 2003 Tahoe, 4060 setup, fuel pump inside the gas tank. These are the tires that I'm about to put on it too. I should already got it done, but I'm probably gonna run and do that tomorrow. Yeah, it'd be fun to drive this now, man. You know, I had it starting before, you know, but I used a separate tank because the gas tank was real rusty. The gas that was sitting in there before, man, yeah, it was bad. I needed to try to get the rust out the tank. Sorry for the glare, guys, but just trying to give you a full walk around of it. It's still not showing you the whole thing, or I'm moving too fast. But anyway, I do want to comment on this drive shaft. I don't want to even pull these. Damn it. Yeah, I'll pull it out anyway. All right, you see the drive shaft? For some reason, it was already cut in two pieces. Should only be one piece, but I'm not sure how the balance is gonna go when I get up at high speeds. So that's the only thing I'm worried about. It should be fine. When I asked the owner, I don't think that it's been driven, you know, since the swap that they had in there initially. It actually had a 700R in there, you know, which I still have sitting right here. Don't know. He said he's gonna put it in something else, but in retrospect, you should just probably go new school anyway. But yeah, he got a real nice vehicle right here. You guys stay tuned. Oh, let me show you what it looks like under. We have oh yeah, let me show you this. We got it's an X pipe, if you can see it. X pipe going along the whole back. Dual mufflers with the X pipe. Yes sir, yes sir. All right, let's go ahead and get a start up, man. We didn't prolong you guys long enough for this thing, man. And I really didn't say much of anything. Didn't tell you how I did it or what I did. I had another harness. I had the computer in the inside, but man, I just wanted to simplify it. Oh, no electric fans too, just to let you know. But yeah, anyway, here's a quick start up on it. I hear a vacuum leak. Quick little sound off on it. I'm almost ashamed to lift it up. I don't want you guys to know what the wires look like. Shoot, if we can keep that in there, that sound, it'll sound beautiful. But anyway, that's it, man. Stay tuned. Just a little something. It's sounding good. Like, subscribe. I got a lot more LS content coming your way, man. I've been slacking. You know, I do a lot of different other stuff. We do wiring, a lot of cam swaps. Pretty much a lot of these LSs is my way, but time factor is starting to be. Stay tuned, man. I got this one that's coming up right there. That's a 2001 Yukon, and that's the LS3. You know, that's my problem child right now, and this air conditioner and other stuff. At least I got it done though.